Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add cards to your YouTube video. When I say cards, I mean being able to suggest a video or suggest a playlist or suggest a link inside your YouTube video. So that's what I'll be teaching you guys in this video. And please, if you have any question at the end of this video, kindly drop it in the comment section. I'll reply once I see it. And also do remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected because I will be posting tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Now let's get right to it. Alright, when it comes to adding cards on your YouTube video, while you're uploading, just go to video elements. You see it right here. You see a place that says add card. Just click on add, and then you can either add a video, add a playlist, or add a link. But adding link, you have to be monetized and be part of YouTube partner program before you be able to add link. So right now you can see I can't add link on mine because I'm not part of that right now. So to add video, just tap on the plus icon and then pick any video you like to suggest. And also I would like to advise you guys, if you are suggesting a video or a playlist, do that at the end of the video. What I mean is that, let me say I want to add or suggest any video or playlist on this video right now that I'm about to post. It's better that I put the suggestion at the ending, or rather close to the ending of the video. The reason why I'm saying this is because when people are watching your video and then you suggest another video, they might just leave the video and then they will go watch the one that you suggested. So it's better that you allow the people finish watching your video before they go to the one that you suggest. So it's just like that. So right now, after picking this video, all I have to do is just put it anywhere I want. So I'm going to put it close to the end, and then I'm going to preview it for you guys so you guys can see it. So when I click play, things like this, and find your drive, find your spark before you start posting it. You can actually see it. The suggestion is right there. And also to delete the suggestion, all you just have to do is click on the delete icon. Click on the delete icon, it's gone. So let me show you guys on how you can add a playlist. To add a playlist, just click on playlist. Then if you have a playlist on your channel like me, I have two playlists, just click on it and then put it at any time that you want it to show. Let me say I want it close to the ending, and that's it. It's actually still the same thing. Let me play it for you guys so you guys see it. Before you start posting content. Because this whole thing is, it's not just like a short game that you're doing for. As you can see, the playlist is actually showing. So that's just how it's done. Then if you want to delete any playlist, just click the delete icon. So that's it for adding videos and adding playlists, or rather suggesting them on your YouTube videos. Another thing that I want to show you guys is when the video is already on your page. Let me say you already have the video on your page, but you forgot to add a card to it. So you just have to come here on your channel, on the content section on your YouTube studio, then just click on this icon. You see this detail icon, just click on it. Once you click on it, just scroll down. You see end card there, or rather you see end screen, you see cards. So that's just it. So once you click on cards, you can actually add cards or add any other thing that you want to add into the video that you forgot to add. So that's how that's done. So it's actually simple and it's actually very easy. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video. And please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected to my channel, because I do post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. And also at the end of this video, you are going to see some of my similar videos and some of my playlists. So you can also watch some of my videos on my playlist at the end of this, so you can learn more tips and more stuff from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it. I'll see you guys on my next video.